My name is Raja Halimatun Fikra binti Raja Khairuddin. In this video, we will discuss about hatchery design and construction, table of content, hatchery structure and tanks, security and biosecurity in a hatchery, room and unit in a hatchery, equipment and device in hatchery.
Before getting into the video, I'm going to introduce our group members. First is Stanwell, Islan Shah, Rusli Hakim, Raja Halimatun, and me myself Ersia Nadila as the narrator of this video. Now, let's get started with the first one, which is hatchery structure and tanks. Circular tanks are typically used in most hatcheries. It can be made using iron frame and tarpaulin like how the video had shown, or by using other material like cement or fiberglass. The pipe in the center of the tank acts as water outlet. It is used to drain or to channel out the water during water exchange. Net is put on the water outlet in order to avoid fish from escaping. Aerator are provided in the tanks to increase levels of dissolved oxygen in the water. The most suitable roof for hatchery in Malaysia should consist of more transparent material. It is essential to have enough light penetration for live feed production in the hatchery. Next, we go into the security and biosecurity needed in the hatchery. It is advisable to have record of registration consists of name of the person, date and purpose of the visit, in order to ensure the safety of equipment in the hatchery. It is also important to have 24/7 monitoring and control system. Its function to make sure the environment is safe from animals and thieves, and to ensure all the devices are working well. Regular water check for ammonia, pH, salinity and dissolved oxygen level, and siphoning out waste is important as it helps maintain good water quality. Now, we'll be looking into the room and units needed in hatchery. Broodstock units are for mature fish to breed. Harvesting these broodstock are usually done with net. Typically, there are more female fish than male fish put inside a tank in broodstock unit. Incubation unit system provides vigorous aeration so that there are high level of dissolved oxygen in the water. Besides that, some fish species like tilapia needs vigorous aeration to create some sort of movement similar to a river system, which is needed for hatching. Rectangular incubation tank can also be used depending on the fish that are reared in the hatchery. Hatched fish are then moved to larva rearing unit. After 6 weeks, it will then be moved to fingerling unit. The fingerling tank will be home to the fish for about 2 months. Once the fish get bigger, they are transferred to grow out unit until they are ready to harvest. Laboratory is an important room needed in a hatchery. It is used to do research on the fish's condition or disease. A hatchery should also have live feed production unit in order to have enough supply of larvae food. Next up, we'll be looking at equipment and devices used in hatcheries. This is a dissolved oxygen meter, which are used to measure dissolved oxygen in water. Water quality kits are one of the methods to measure pH and ammonia level in water. Next is scales, which are used to weigh feeds and fish during sampling. Next, thermometer, which can be used to measure water temperature. Buckets are used to transfer feeds and also fish during sampling. Scoop nets, which are used to catch smaller fish during their early stage. Air blower and air pump are the devices that are normally used for aeration in hatchery.
In conclusion, it is important to have a good hatchery design and construction in order to produce a good quality of fish. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.